Good morning. This morning is gonna start roasted and toasted by the food truck. So there's a breakfast food truck today in our community, so we are going there to get some breakfast real quick and then get back to all our work. I have a thousand million work to do, same with him. So yep, we're gonna fuel ourselves with roasted and toasted breakfast. Yep. And head on with our day. So let's go, because it's just here like 2 minutes. So it's a beautiful weather outside, and look at this tree that is in front of our house. Cherry blossom tree. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's full of flowers right now. Yeah, it's sunny, but it's also very cold because it's windy. So the food truck, it has a bagel sandwiches, not bagels, and flatbread sandwiches, right? And coffee, milkshakes. I think I'm gonna take smoothies. Yeah, I'm very confused, bagel sandwich or flatbread sandwich.
You should take a smoothie with it if you want. Smoothie and a sandwich.
I think I'll be very full with smoothie and a sandwich and coffee and
keep a smoothie in the fridge.
Yeah, let's see, something like that.
So we have ordered our breakfast. That's the truck right there. Toasted and roasted. Yeah. Opposite, roasted and toasted. We have had our coffee. I have taken a panini. She has taken a bagel sandwich. Yes. And oof, we are excited because we normally make this kind of breakfast at home, but you know, it's a different feeling.
From outside.
Exactly, and especially from a food truck. So we are just waiting for our order real quick, and then we are gonna go back. And it's Tanya's treat. She bought me a breakfast this morning. Can I get you?
Alright. I was saying Moyang's sandwich is so like long and mine is fat. Very excited for the breakfast.
We got our coffees.
Yes.
And
we got our coffees.
Look at that sandwich. It looks super delicious. My coffee is over here. I'm gonna go upstairs, eat at my desk, and I have a lot of meetings today, so I'm probably gonna see you guys after a while. So I'll see you then.
Ooh.
Whoa, look at that.
Alright, I'm gonna sit in my nook and enjoy my breakfast. Hello.
Happy Dada's anniversary to you too.
Thank you.
Alright guys, time is 5:45. I got done at 5. I did my workout. I'm super sweaty right now, but I'm not jumping into the shower because we're gonna feed the dogs and take them out for a walk. Here they are.
How is the cold, buddy?
It is cold today. Oh, feels good to me because I just worked out. Look at all the sweat.
We are making dinner right now, and for dinner I am using leftover cabbage. So I'm making cabbage, potato, peas and carrot mixture of sabji.
Hey, but where are the peas, baby?
It's on the bottom.
Okay.
Carrot, potato and peas on the bottom. And then I'm gonna make rotis with that. And that's gonna be our dinner. So basically we did breakfast today. It was a pretty heavy breakfast, and then we didn't do anything whole day. We just had tea. in the afternoon, and we're having dinner right now. It's
Yeah.
7 o'clock.
I mean, we did have a little snack, the fiber one. Biscuit.
Yeah, just biscuits like.
Yeah, those are fiber and protein biscuits that we had.
And then
we had tea, and
Yes.
now we have our dinner. Early dinner. Early dinner.
Yep, that is the plan. And
I'm gonna go find out something to watch.
yeah,
On TV.
let me show you. So there is a bakery called LA Farm over here. Oh my god, look at this baguette. This is multi-grain baguette. We got it from there. And we also got the sourdough bread that is already finished. And also this is the normal baguette. And this is half of it. We are left with half. You have to warm it up, baby, before eating. Only then they become soft.
Nee, I mean outer is always crust. When we'll cut, we'll see how it is.
Yeah, but you have to warm it up and then kind of cut it. So yeah.
Did I get? Oh, we can make tomato soup and like
Breads.
baguette.
Yeah. Just dip it on that with that. Just dip the tomato baguette.
Tomato soup and baguette.
We can do that tomorrow or something. So you can finish the baguette. Anyway, so that is the plan. And we don't have any plans of going out anywhere today.
Chloe Ting killed me.
Yeah, because Chloe Ting killed Maya and as well as me. So we just want to stay home.
Say good night. We have made our night tea, and if you're wondering what that is, it's a fennel tea. I'm not gonna bore you with all the benefits of fennel tea, so feel free to Google it. But fennel is really good for your gut, for your digestion. It suppresses your cravings. Million other reasons to drink a fennel tea at night or morning, whatever works for you. For us, we just started drinking it, so I'm not gonna tell you that we have been doing this for a long time, but we just started it. We are liking it, so we are doing it. And it's super simple to make. Before you ask in the comments, you just take like a tablespoon of fennel into 2 cups of water. 1 cup equals to 8 ounces or 240 ml, so easier for you to do the math. And just boil it with the fennel so that it takes all its properties, its color, its nutrient value basically, and then the color looks like this. And that's it. Your tea is ready. Just strain it. Just strain it using your chai chalni or whatever it is, and you're ready to have a nice sip of fennel tea. It is gonna help you sleep better though. So that's it. We are gonna go enjoy our fennel tea, drop dead into the bed, and see you guys in our next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.